All right, so this is called hidden bearish divergence, okay? And I'm just gonna pick a random one, just a random one. So bearish divergence and bullish divergence are really different than hidden and a not hidden bearish or bullish reversal. Divergence, right? So when we talk about hidden divergence, that is to see if we have a continuation trend, right? So just as an example, on a downtrend, okay, if you tend to get a higher high on an indicator, so once again, a higher high on an indicator, but you're getting roughly the same price points or a lower high on the price, it usually means that the price is going to continue down. Okay, that's a hidden bearish divergence. So we look at these specific points right here. You can easily see that that's the interim high resistance, right? Not only that, like of that particular one, but also of the sloped resistance coming to the downside. But what gave it away, other than those two confluent reasons, was this right here. When we're comparing that point and that point. So this here is the same price point, right? But you're getting a higher high there. Okay, but you're getting roughly the same price. If it was a lower high, I would actually have been happier because then you have more gauge to break out to the upside. So as anywhere it indicates, okay? Anywhere that it indicates, just like for example, this one right here, okay? You're getting a lower high, or it could be the same price, but you're getting a higher high on the indicator, okay? And that means that it's going to continue to the downtrend. So hidden bearish divergences, it's kind of like a counterintuitive way of thinking about this. So I just got to get my phone on charger. My beautiful friend is visiting from Vancouver. I cannot wait to see her. She's here for about a week. So I might be a little bit busy. And yeah, whenever I either go to Vancouver or my friends apparently visit me now. So yeah, that's why I'm going to be away a little bit tonight. Anyways, so that was pretty indicative. And now that the way this is trending is very simple, okay? Usually what happens is like this. If you have a... Whoops. If you have like a yellow line, okay, or a white line like that, that's going like that. And then you get a yellow line. Like that, you know, just something like that where it's coming down. And then the price starts to get in here somewhere. It starts to squeeze until something drastic happens. And something always does. Something violent usually happens. This ain't gonna sideways, guys. I can almost guarantee it because we have been consolidating for jeebers 3 months now. 110 days, 4 months almost. So does that mean that there should be a dramatic conclusion? Yes, there should be and there will be. Notice how we're just defending these particular price points many times? Well, the bulls are trying to hold it up. They're trying to hold it up, but they're only defending, okay? If they were defending, if they were attacking as well, well, we would be having an ascending triangle. But instead, the bears are the ones who are not only defending, but they're pushing them much further into their area. Now they're playing offense. They're getting into their side of the court, or that side of the hockey rink, right? Or that side of the end zone, wherever you're going. So you're seeing this the bearish pressure just push to the downside, right? I see it. So what I can say is that there's going to be a very dramatic conclusion that's going to happen incredibly soon. And if this happens, get ready to make a lot of money, in my opinion, okay? So my target still stands like here, where I'm going to go to the daily chart right here. I'm going to extrapolate this data, okay? And you guys can see this 200 moving average right here starting to get sandwiched right there, right? Something like that. So then how could I not believe, like I'm probably being a little bit, I'm embellishing that line a little bit. I could probably do better. It's probably going to go something like that, right? I'll make it different colors so you can see it. But I'm referring to the white line. Just make it blue or something that you can see easily. Or pink, whatever. So then you see the yellow line, right? If you extrapolate that data as well, you can just kind of see it's squeezing to the zone. That means that right here, guys, something is going to happen. And if I had to make a prediction, okay, keep in mind, always take everything I say with a grain of salt. I'm not here to give you guys financial advice or anything. I'm just here to share what I know And I think that the best power in the world is to share what we know, okay? So does it make sense when we say that it's going to be squeezed in here? And I really believe it's actually going to break to the downside. I do not see both the bulls, focusing on a rally for both alts and Bitcoin. One's going to lose. The BT dominance is pretty weak right now. So this is my play, very specifically. I'm going to probably end up shorting it as soon as we break with conviction around 9,300. Maybe 9,200 I'll enter. Probably 93-ish, depending on how everything looks in price action. I'll put a stop probably at 94. And that's amazing. I'll probably target 8,800. Maybe 89 just to be conservative. Man, that's an awesome, awesome play. 3.35 risk to reward. 4.28% possible gain. 1.28 possible percent lost. That's an amazing one. So if you look on the bullish side now, okay? If you look on the bullish side, if we break to the upside, hey guys, it's really easy to tell. Very easy, okay? Which side we're going to break towards. As soon as it happens, you're going to know. I don't think there's going to be any traps, okay? No overthrows or anything like that. If we go to a long position, I don't know, we could even break out here. Who knows? Wherever the break point is. Let's just assume this is right here or something like that, right? Where we recovered to the 200 or the 55 moving average there on the 4 hour. Well, the play that would be pretty simple too, okay? Let's say we ended up going on a breakout like a hypothetical 10,000, like 200 or something. Okay, that's where the breakout happens. Let's just say 10,200. And then you're going to the upside. I'd probably end up targeting right there, the interim high. And if that were likely to happen, I'd probably risk about 1.5% here. This is the better play, obviously. I want the bullish play scenario to work out because we make a lot more money. There's a lot less risk as well. This is a 4.83 risk to reward, okay? With a 1.5% about possible loss, 7.1% possible win. So that's beautiful the way that would play out. What would most likely happen after? Well, we'd probably bounce off of it. I don't think we're going to break it anytime soon. But of course, even something silly like an ascending triangle could happen, right? So what if an ascending triangle happened where, we broke above it here? Actually, like right here, there could be a reaction as well, keep in mind, okay? Because this is sort of making a somewhat support with these 3 points over here, okay? Sort of, you can say. I might be pushing it a little bit. But there could be, who knows, it could break out of here even as well. So if we break to the downside, 8,800 is my target. Just based on how the 200 moving average is looking. If we break to the upside, interim swing high. $10,900. That would be my target, right? Pretty reasonable, if you ask me, okay? So what could happen, we answer that. What could happen between the sandwich of the 255 EMA? A reaction happens in there. The 200 moving average over here acts as a support, okay? Huge support always. So, and then the 55 EMA acts as a resistance. Therefore, when resistance ends up meeting support, one way wins or the other. So that's what could happen. Both the bearish and bullish scenarios with specific targets. One was a 3.5 risk to reward, entering upon breaking below 9,400 or so, targeting 8,800 because of how the 200 EMA is reacting. And once again, guys, this is what I am doing, okay? You guys would be so surprised how many people reach out to me and they're like, you said you were going to do this and I took the loss. Well, just because you have a driver's license doesn't mean you can drive a Formula 1 racing car, okay? And once again, this is all for educational purposes, okay? And I frankly stop caring when people lose when they cry to me about it because, sorry to say, you guys are not going to make it as a trader anyways, man, if you're going to cry to other people already when you're making a loss. Sorry to be harsh, but I'm making a group soon, guys, a private group, 50 people. It's going to be a chat room. You guys come in with me. I'm going to be live streaming with 0 delay. That's right, with 0 delay. You guys can ask me anything you want in this room, and I can help you guys review your trades. I won't tell you how to enter your trade specifically, but we're going to review your technical analysis to give you some tremendous insight from me, perhaps. There's going to be just 50 people. That's it, okay, guys? In the chat room. And it's going to be very, very private. It's not even going to be talked about. So basically what you guys are going to be doing is trading with me. I think that's kind of cool. And I've already started depositing $2,500 a day. I'm going to keep a 10K balance now. That's it. I'm going to get to 30K. Okay? So I'm adding about $2,500 a day. So that 30K can be leveraged to $100,000 because we're going to be playing 6-figure accounts. None of that 5-figure bullshit, guys. We're not amateurs. No, I'm just kidding. I'm completely kidding, guys. Okay, don't take that the wrong way. But the people in my trading room, it's going to be good, guys. I can't wait to trade with you. So right now, as it stands, we have finally successfully closed below the 55 VMA for 3 days now, which is actually scary, okay? So yeah, so now, is it alt season, okay? Is it alt season right now? It's funny, my friends just asked me right now, when should I buy Bitcoin? And I give them the same answer as I give you guys. Whenever you want to, okay? There's no such thing as a personal financial advisor. I don't think there's ever a bad time to buy Bitcoin if it's going to go to $100,000, right? So now, is it altcoin season? Yeah, I think it is, guys. Give it a little bit of time, you know? You look at the 3-day MACD just crossing over like that. It's so bullish right now on every single coin, except for Bitcoin right now. Look at Ethereum, man. Ethereum's had a field day, guys. Ethereum's up 40%. EOS is up like 30%. XRP is up 30%. Every single coin is up a tremendous amount right now. So yes, I do think that we are going to do this for alt, okay? Just check this out. I think we are going to retrace a certain amount of perhaps here. You know, it could get to something like there, a 382 fib. That's for EOS, because you guys only know I focus on top quality coins. For XRP, you know, I think we're going to make a retracement of this whole wave right there. The whole thing, you know, whatever retracement that is, could be here. But either way, I expect at least a 382 Fibonacci retracement on all alts of the whole structure coming down since June. Okay, that's what I'm guessing. So we do it from up to down, and I think that we're going to probably end up targeting somewhere there for Litecoin. I think Litecoin might even get back up to about $94 at first, probably sometime soon. So just to talk about quickly what are my thoughts on alt season. Yeah, I do think it's alt season time, guys. I'm not saying to buy now. I'm not saying to sell. I ain't saying any of that. I'm just saying that it sounds like alts are really picking up with their 40% spikes right now, okay? And that's a really big number, in my opinion, to be spiking up 30 to 40%. And the BT dominance is dropping. If BTC ends up tanking, you know, it might drag down some coins with it. But don't ever think for a moment, okay, that coins are always going to go with Bitcoin. Let me give you an example, guys. Biggest example I can possibly give you that I'll always be able to argue against is this. Well, you guys see what's happening right here, right? This is from December 17 to like all the way to January. Well, look at that major downtrend. Hey, guess what happened to XRP at that time? Apple announced a partnership with them, and during the bear market, which started December the 17th, XRP ended up going to the moon till January. So, are you guys surprised that sometimes not everything correlates to Bitcoin? No, you shouldn't be surprised, but also understand that not everything correlates to Bitcoin, right? So I think that alt season is going to pick up. We're going to get a pretty decent retracement, and I'm looking for a very nice entry right now for all of my, for actually to pick up more XRP for my long-term holds, okay? That's going to be kind of nice. I'm looking at EOS as well, and Ethereum. So, well, EOS, I'll be trading that, not holding it. I only hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also XRP. And that's it. And I just wanted to conclude the video by thanking you guys very much for your time. I hope that it was a very short and precise video. And I will, sometimes you just want to get straight to the point, right? Other than that, have yourselves a fantastic day. For those that are still interested in my Udemy, check it out below. It's been getting tons of positive reviews as always. And the people have been reaching out to me more on Twitter. And I am more than happy to answer all of your guys' questions. My answer rate lately has been about 80 to 90%. Takes about 3 to 4 hours of my time a day, believe it or not, to answer all these questions. But I'm here for you guys because I tremendously thank you for your love and your support. So have yourselves a great Wednesday night, and I'll talk to you, my baby whales, sometime soon. Bye now.